There are different versions of theory of social contract, but the most popular account for this theory were provided by three philosophers who lived between blank and blank centuries. Option A, 16th and 17th century. Option B, 15th and 16th century. Option C, 17th and 18th century. And option D, 18th and 19th centuries. This question requires our understanding and knowledge of the historical context and key figures associated with the theory of social contract. Before I give you the answer to this question, I want to quickly remind you that intensive tutorial for 2025 UTME and SSCE are currently in progress at Akai Tutors, Ile-Ife. Akai Tutors is located at number 67 Oduduwa College Road off Sabo Junction, Ile-Ife. Should you are interested, you can contact the management of Akai Tutors on 08038644328. Thank you. So back to our question. The theory of social contract was primarily developed by three influential philosophers. One, Thomas Hobbes, between 1588 to 1679. The Leviathan, which was published in 1651. The second thinker or philosopher is John Locke, between 1632 to 1704. Two treatises of government published in 1689. And the third philosopher who wrote about social contract is Jean-Jacques Rousseau, between 1712 to 1778. The social contract, which is 1762. These thinkers lived and wrote during the 17th and 18th centuries, shaping the foundational ideas of the social contract theory. So, Thomas Hobbes argued for absolute sovereignty, Locke emphasized individual rights, and Rousseau focused on the general will. Their works collectively form the core of social contract theory, influencing modern political philosophy. The other options are incorrect because 16th and 17th centuries, only Hobbes' works falls within this range. Then 15th and 16th centuries precede the main development of social contract theory, while the other option, 18th and 19th centuries, overlaps with the later development of social contract theory, but misses Hobbes' significant contribution. So our correct answer to this question is option C, 17th and 18th centuries. Thank you for joining me. My name is Joseph Iyaji. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be promptly notified of our subsequent update. I love you. Thank you. And don't forget to join us in our physical class at Akai Tutors, opposite Oduduwa College, off Sabo Junction, Ile-Ife. Thank you.